You're 35,000 feet in the air. You flush the airplane toilet, and that sound happens. That incredibly loud, almost violent suction sound, like the plane itself just gasped. It's nothing like your toilet at home. There's no gentle swirl, no familiar splash of water refilling the bowl. It's a blast of noise, and then nothing. The waste is just gone. So where does it actually go? Is there really a tank back there that gets dumped somewhere? And what about the myth almost everyone has heard, the one about frozen waste falling from the sky and crashing through someone's roof? Let's follow this all the way through, because the answer involves some surprisingly clever engineering. First, let's talk about that sound, because it's the key to understanding the whole system. Airplane toilets don't use gallons of water the way home toilets do. They can't. A commercial jet might carry over 100 passengers on a 5 or 6 hour flight, and if every flush used 1.5 gallons of water like a home toilet, the plane would need to carry an enormous amount of extra water just for waste, which means extra weight, which means burning more fuel. On an aircraft, weight is money. So engineers had to solve a very specific problem. How do you clear waste effectively using almost no water at all? The answer is vacuum suction. Modern airplane lavatories use what's called a vacuum toilet system. When you press that flush button, a valve at the bottom of the bowl opens, and it connects to a sealed waste pipe that runs through the plane. That pipe is kept at a pressure lower than the cabin around it. The moment the valve opens, that pressure difference does the work. Air rushes in and drags the waste along with it down the pipe at high speed.